In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to live track Amazon order. We'll walk through this on a desktop browser so you can quickly see where your package is and when it's expected to arrive. Keep your Amazon login ready and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Amazon website. Type the address directly into your address bar to be safe, then sign into your account. Make sure you're using the same account you used to place the order, since tracking is tied to that account. If you're on a shared computer, it's a good idea to sign out when you're done. Once you're signed in, look at the top right of the page for the link labeled Returns and Orders. Click that. This takes you to your orders page, where you'll see a list of your recent purchases. Scroll through until you find the item you want to track. Each order will have quick action buttons on the right side. On the order you're interested in, click Track Package. This opens the tracking details page for that specific shipment. This is where Amazon provides the most up-to-date view of your delivery progress, and it's the place you'll check for live updates. Right away, you'll see the current shipping status. This can show as not yet shipped, shipped, out for delivery, or delivered. Not yet shipped means the seller or warehouse is preparing your item. Shipped means it's on its way and moving through the carrier's network. Out for delivery indicates the driver has it and plans to bring it to you today. If it says delivered, you'll usually see the delivery time and location note. Like at a mailbox or front door, you'll also see the carrier information, which tells you who is handling the delivery, such as a major shipping company or Amazon's own logistics. Right next to that, look for the estimated arrival date. This estimate updates as the package moves, so don't be surprised if it refines throughout the day, especially once it's out for delivery. Below that, you'll find the tracking number. This unique code identifies your shipment. It's useful for reference and confirms you're looking at the correct package, especially if you have multiple items on the way. If an order includes multiple shipments, each package will have its own track package link and details. If you don't see a tracking link yet, the order may still be processing, or it might be a digital item that doesn't ship. Refreshing the page periodically can help surface the latest updates. That's it. Open Amazon, go to Returns and Orders, and click Track Package to see live progress, carrier details, the estimated delivery window.